everybody, welcome back to Saguenay Valley's ESL Corner. Today we are going to have a conversation in a coffee shop. I will be talking, so myself, Olivia, and I will be with my lovely assistant Marilou, who will be the other person talking with me today. In this small conversation about our coffee shop, I will look at these different expressions with you during the conversation and also after at the end. So I invite you to sit back, relax, listen to the conversation, and then at the end you can take a moment to study these different expressions and rewatch the video if you want to hear these expressions one more time. So put on your headphones, turn up the sound, and let's practice.
Hey teacher, long time no see. How are you doing?
Good morning, Marilou. Yes, long time no see. I'm good. And you?
I'm doing great. I'm just stopping by to pick up a coffee. You?
Same thing for me. I start my class at 9 a.m. Today, I am teaching the simple past. When do you start?
I also start at 9 a.m. in 10 minutes.
So, we are both in a hurry. Maybe we will see each other after class. Maybe we can go for a second coffee. What do you say?
Sure, that will be lovely. When are you available? We can practice our English.
I'm free today at 5 p.m. What about you?
Me too. Let's meet here at 5 p.m. I'll bring my English book.
Awesome! I'll bring my books too. See ya later!
You too. Take care. See ya!
So that was our conversation in a coffee shop. So here are some expressions from this conversation. Long time no see. I'm good. And you? Great. Stop by. Pick up. Both. In a hurry. Meet. What do you say? Sure. That would be lovely. Available. I'm free. What about you? I'll. Awesome. Take care. See ya. So these were the different expressions from our conversation. So I invite you now to go back, listen to the conversation again, and look for these different expressions in our conversation. If you want more content and more ESL conversation examples, as well as some grammar lessons, please feel free to subscribe and like this video. And if you would like to leave a comment about our conversation, we will definitely read your comments. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye!